For this week's video, I'm going to make a sandbox, and I've put down some actual beach sand so that it kind of looks like a sandbox too. What I'll do is click on Edit Terrain, left click to get a yellow box, and let's see if I can make it big enough to cover the whole thing. There we go. And this dialog box pops up, and I'll choose About Land, go into Objects, and I'll return people's stuff back to them after they make it. I'll put in 15 minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure this took. And yep, there's the 15 minutes. Okay, now people should be able to, other than myself, should be able to come and in this little square build things and play around without having to worry. And then after 15 minutes, it will appear mysteriously in their bags. The next thing I want to do is make it to where everybody that's here in this room doesn't have to, or nearby, have to listen to the welcome video over and over every time somebody teleports, somebody new turns it on. So I'll go outside to do this so I can click on the terrain easier than having to fight with the house. But I'll stand where I can see it. What I'll do is, again, I'll click to edit terrain, left click to get my box, and okay, this is going to be a little difficult. Edit terrain. There we go. And I've got the sign and the area that people will teleport into just a little bigger around it. And what I'll do with this, I'll hit About Land again. And this time I'll go into Audio. And it's already checked, so that's good. I'll restrict the gestures and object sounds to this parcel, so only the people in that little square area there will hear it. If they step out of it, they will no longer hear that. I think I'm going to do that with each one of the individual videos. That way I can keep them closer together, but yet not bother the person who's listening to the one after or the one before. I think it'll make it much nicer. And that was it for this week. Thanks.